When the atomweight bout pitting Gina Iniong against Jenny Huang was announced for Heroes of Honor, the underlying storyline was if the Team Lakay fighter is looking to avenge stablemate April Osenio's loss to the same opponent almost 2 years ago. Back in December of 2016, Osenio was riding high, winning her first 2 fights in one championship. But Huang made short work of her, submitting the young Lakay fighter with a choke that started her ongoing 3-fight skid. Though she had revenge on her mind, the mindset that prevailed for the fighter known as the conviction was how she could bounce back after her heartbreaking decision loss to Mei Yamaguchi last November. Sa akin naman po, wala po. Nasa isip ko lang is kailangan ko bumawi sa last na laban ko, she said. All throughout the bout last Friday, Iniong was clinical as she slugged it out with her Taiwanese opponent, whose base is grappling. During the 3rd round, she even tried to scramble with her on the ground and proved SUCCESSFUL sa akin naman striking sana pero sabi ko rin sa coaches ko na kung puwede ko gawin yung ground para makita kung ano kaya ko sa ground, she added, as she was able to pick up her 8th win in 11 fights. The result was a lopsided decision win in favor of the Baguio-native.And at home. For sure Osenio was cheering in her seat as Iniong was able to rack one up for Team Lakay. Advertisements.